Today, we're going to learn how to draw a flamingo. When drawing anything, it's best to mark out basic shapes for your picture before you begin to add more detail. Use a pencil for this and then use a pen to draw out the final line work. To begin, let's draw a line in the middle of the page. Add a big arch on top so that you form a semicircle. Then, draw a smaller, flatter circle underneath. For the flamingo's neck, draw a long, backwards S-shaped line that connects back to the body. Repeat this line, leaving a slight gap next to your original line. At the top of these lines, mark out a small oval shape for the flamingo's head. Then, coming out of our oval, sketch a boot-like shape for the beak. Next, underneath the body, draw a tiny semicircle that is roughly in the middle. Then, draw a straight line downwards and finish this off with a small circle. Draw another line downwards that is the same length as our first line, which is also finished off with a circle. After this, we can add in some toes. Draw 3 slim sausage shapes coming out of the bottom circle. At the top of the leg, draw another circle and then a diagonal straight line, adding on a circle. Next, connect a straight horizontal line across. Attaching another circle and begin sketching out our skinny, long sausage shapes, pointing downwards for the flamingo's toes. Then, drawing along the flamingo's back, carry on the line downwards. Stopping here, along the bottom line, draw a slight upwards curve to connect to our downwards line to create a tail shape. Now we have outlined the flamingo, we can use our thick pen for the final touches of line work. Starting inside our oval-shaped face, mark a small V shape where the lines have a slight curve to them. Next, draw over our boot-like shape. Where our boot begins to curve, inside, draw a line upwards and connect back to the head. Once you've marked over our oval shape, we need to draw an eye. So, inside, draw a long line with 3 flicks for some long eyelashes. Now it's time to draw over the flamingo's necklines. Carry your pen along the back of the flamingo, stopping at the tip of our tail. We can add in some feather details by drawing a long U shape inside our tail. Repeat this a few times to create a feather texture to our drawing. Next, start drawing a line that begins inside the body and connects to our bottom line. Then, mark out 3 more long U shapes above this line. We can draw 2 small arches for extra texture. After this, carry on marking over our bottom line. Connecting our hip sockets. Using our leg lines as the middle, draw 2 parallel lines downwards which connect to our circles. Now we can draw over the flamingo's feet. But when adding in the toes, we need a webbed look. To do this, when connecting the toes together, mark a slight curve before drawing over the top of the toes. Do the same for the other leg. Make sure this leg is behind by not drawing over our other leg when they meet. We need a webbed look. Wait for the pen to dry, and you can rub out your pencil markings. Now that's how you draw a flamingo. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Look out to see what else you can draw with a few simple shapes.